No matter where in the world you are, every ecosystem has a specific and unique manner in which energy flows through that system, from primary producers like plants here, which generate energy from the sun, to primary consumers, which eat these plants, to secondary consumers, which eat them, and finally tertiary consumers or top predators. This is what's known as a trophic structure or a trophic web, and these are very complex relationships that have evolved over millions of years, which are the foundation of the ecological health of these systems. Unfortunately, a lot has changed over the past couple hundred years as human development and colonization has fractured many of these trophic webs with the removal of large herbivores and predators from these ecosystems, and these changes have impacted everything from how rivers flow down to successional patterns of grasses and even how well these ecosystems are able to absorb and store carbon. A new study took a look at 9 different species that had been extirpated from their native habitat, from sea otters to gray wolves to American bison, and what the impacts of their reintroduction would be within these ecosystems. And the data shows that protecting and restoring these populations could facilitate capturing an additional 6.4 billion tons of carbon dioxide annually, or 95% of the amount needed to meet the Paris Agreement target to keep warming beneath the accepted 1.5 degree threshold. In other words, protecting wildlife and biodiversity to create intact trophic structures within our currently damaged ecosystems would have trickle-down effects that could be one of the most impactful things we could ever do to help mitigate the effects of anthropogenic climate change. Sure, intact trophic structures with top predators and grazers like bison may look different than the world we've created today, but change is coming whether we like it or not, and us adapting to restore these ecosystems and their function may just be the change we all need for a better future.